Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get GTA San Andreas free on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you want to get GTA San Andreas free on your iPhone, so let's see how you can do that. The very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So go for general and you go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. And after that, you have to update your software, because sometimes pending software updates might be any error or an issue. So you just have to update your software, then go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have up to 10 GB free of your iPhone storage to run GTA San Andreas in your phone. And after doing that all, you just have to go to App Store and you have to simply search for GTA San Andreas. Once you have searched, you will get different results here. You just have to select GTA San Andreas Netflix and then enter, and then you will select the get option from here. And here you have to enter your password or your Apple ID. And once you have entered your Apple ID password, it will start it downloading and it will be installed on your phone. So in this way you can easily get or install GTA San Andreas free on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.